Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of precision with the premium Knife Sharpening Stone Set, a complete kit designed to keep your blades razor sharp and ready for action. This set features two double-sided grit whetstones, 400 1/1000ths and 3000 8/1000ths, crafted from professional-grade corundum, perfect for sharpening dull knives and achieving an ultra-fine polish. The non-slip bamboo base ensures stability, while the angle guide and cut-resistant gloves make sharpening safe and easy, even for beginners. With a leather strop and green polishing compound, you can polish and remove burrs effortlessly, and the black flattening stone keeps your whetstones perfectly level. This versatile kit is suitable for sharpening a wide range of blades, from kitchen knives to hunting knives, ensuring peak performance every time. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a professional chef, this sharpening set is an essential tool for maintaining your knives and makes an excellent gift for family and friends. So, if you're looking to enhance your cutting precision, this is the ultimate sharpening solution for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.